What's up guys, my name is David. I'm here at Wheels Boutique in Miami, Florida. We have this beautiful chalk white 991.2 GT3 in for an iPE install. It's got the titanium muffler section, very lightweight. Also has the stainless steel cat bypass headers. So the complete kit, this is gonna scream, it's gonna add horsepower, torque, reduce weight, so everything you want from your exhaust system. I wanna thank iPE for coming down today and having the opportunity for us to take care of this and film it all. So I hope you guys enjoy it very much and stay tuned for the sound clips for this before and after. All right guys, so I'm gonna touch on something I alluded to earlier, which is the weight of the system. So one of the biggest reasons why you go with a titanium exhaust is to save weight. So right here we have the OEM system, looks very large, it's very heavy. You're at about 62, 63 pounds, that's without the headers. So in a little bit, we're going to weigh the titanium system and you're gonna see the huge differences in the weight, which obviously when you shed weight, you gain performance. So check that out. All right, so here we have the titanium muffler, much more lightweight, as you can see here. You remember the last one was about 62 pounds. We're looking at 16 pounds here. Huge weight savings. So in addition to the horsepower, in addition to the torque, you're losing a lot of weight on here, which is really, really important. And just look at the difference in the structure of it. I mean, night and day difference. That's why you purchase an iPE titanium exhaust. All right everyone, so we completed the install here. As you can see, beautiful system, titanium, stainless steel cat bypass headers, the carbon fiber tips. I mean, it's everything that you're looking for. Big thank you to iPE USA, iPE International for coming down here, filming the whole thing for us. Big thank you to my team here at Wheels Boutique. If you guys need anything for iPE exhaust, they offer it for Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, even down to Volkswagen. So give us a call if you need anything and we'll be happy to help you out. Now, here comes the fun part.